It feels almost unreal to say this. But the iPhone 17 Pro Max is right around the corner, and this isn't just another predictable iPhone refresh. We're now only weeks away from Apple officially pulling the curtain back, and what's coming could mark the most futuristic leap forward since the iPhone X between leaks from casemakers, display suppliers, and some of the most trusted insiders in the Apple world. It's becoming clear that the iPhone 17 is shaping up to be far more than a routine upgrade. In fact, it looks like Apple is opening an entirely new chapter in how it designs, markets, and redefines its flagship smartphone. So grab your coffee, sit back, because we're about to break down every major leak and rumor around the iPhone 17 lineup, and believe me, there's a lot more going on here than meets the eye. And then there's the display story. Thanks to leaked screen protectors, we now know the final lineup sizes. The iPhone 17 and 17 Pro will each have 6.3-inch displays. The new iPhone 17 Air lands at 6.6 inches, and the Pro Max stretches out to a massive 6.9 inches. No size shakeups this year, but don't let that fool you. Apple is refining durability, boosting brightness, and possibly adding a brand new anti-reflective coating. If you've ever tried using your iPhone under direct sunlight and ended up seeing more of your own face than the screen, you know exactly why this matters. Oh, in case leaks back all of this up, accessory makers often get Apple specs early, so they can prep their products, and this time, the leaked cases line up perfectly with those screen dimensions. When case makers start preparing months in advance, you know the leaks are legit, and of course, the rumor that's making the entire tech world buzz, Apple possibly teaming up with Google to integrate Gemini AI into Siri. Yes, Apple might finally be admitting Siri is, let's be honest, not the smartest assistant out there. Imagine asking Siri something and actually getting a useful, human-like response instead of the usual, here's what I found on the web. If this partnership happens, it could completely transform how you use your iPhone every single day. So where does all this leave us? Well, the iPhone 17 family looks like more than just another yearly update. Between game-changing camera tech, smarter design tweaks, refined displays, and the possibility of an AI-powered Siri, Apple is clearly setting the stage for the next era of iPhones. It's not just about keeping up with the competition. It's about rewriting the playbook for the future. Now here's the big question for you. Are you planning to hold out for the iPhone 17? Or is your iPhone 16 still holding strong? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what features matter most to you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more in-depth Apple coverage and check out my other videos linked on the end screen, especially my full deep dive into the iPhone 16 series so you can see how the two stack up. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Because the iPhone 17 isn't just another phone, it could be the beginning of Apple's next big revolution.